that's our new product, the KF500, with integrated MVHR system, mechanical heat recovering system. It's the first window which has it fully built in. That means no extra ducting needed. It goes up from the speed from 4 cubic meters per hour up to 40 cubic meters hours, and has consumption of 3 watt the motors, which means an average over the whole year seen £3.50. It's less than you would run your computer or television. That is our new door, HS330. You can see you move here around 200-300 kilos of glass with literally one finger. Operation-wise, now that's a locked position. You can position this in any other position. Here, up, down, and you can move it. Here you can see our new shading mechanism. You can close it completely down for privacy purposes, or you can leave it up like this, where you can get now additional light into the room without UV degradation, no fading of the furniture, and even more deeper into the room. Okay, that is our newest system, the KF410, with a U value of 0.62. So the lowest U value ever on the market, with a white glazing up to 0.62. With a fantastic U value of 0.73 and a security class of RC2. Special design, you can see completely flush, very modern design. No hinges visible, they are completely hidden on the inside as well, in between the sash and the frame. And additionally, you can have lights here, so especially at night time, you can see where the handle is or the lock, or even light on the bottom where you step over the threshold. So now the HF400 on the inside, completely flush design, temporary design. Again, you can't see any hinges, very flush system. If you open up the door now, you can see the full security class. Of course, multi-point locking with a deadlock here.
Well, I found Internorm when I was designing my house, and I wanted to use at the time a locally sourced timber to use to make really good windows. But when I started looking at the technical things about windows, you know, air tightness and insulation across the frame and all these sorts of things, I soon found that there's nobody that I could find, you know, locally or even in England that could do something. So I actually then found Internorm, and when I saw the quality of the engineering of the products, I thought the UK aren't making windows like this yet. So actually going to you know, getting the windows from Internorm, okay, obviously through the UK but made in Austria, it gave me, you know, I had to go with it because it was such a good quality product.
Okay, Richard, thank you for joining us here on the EcoBuild show.
Pleasure.
It's a pleasure to have you here.
Pleasure. It's really
We have a
good
small
to be
gift
here.
for you.
Well, thank you.
Here to you. Thanks very much.
That's very kind of you. You didn't need to. Thank you very much.
you.
Bless you. I hope the show's successful for you. It should be.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
That's our new product, the KF500, with integrated MVHR system, mechanical heat recovering system. It's the first window which has it fully built in. That means no extra ducting needed. It goes up from the speed from 4 cubic meters per hour up to 40 cubic meters hours, and has consumption of 3 watt the motors, which means an average over the whole year seen £3.50. It's less than you would run your computer or television. That is our new door, HS330. You can see you move here around 200-300 kilos of glass with literally one finger. Operation-wise, now that's a locked position. You can